parked in a lot called Carhenge. Wonder why they call it that.
The Riverwalk in Telluride.
Having fun?
Oh yeah. The scenic 2.4-mile ride between Mountain Village and Telluride takes approximately 12 minutes. The highest gondola station is San Sofia Station at an elevation of 10,540 feet. Over 58 million passenger trips have been provided since the gondola opened in 1996, with approximately 3.1 passenger rides each year. And it's free.
Best $0 I ever spent. Mountain Village sits above Telluride at a height of about 9,500 feet. In the summer, there's mountain biking and golf. In the winter months, this serves as the base of the Telluride ski area. Don't worry, there's plenty of tourism to be had here too. After a quick look around town, we headed just a few miles out to secure a camp spot. We found one at the Sunshine Campground. Once we knew we had a place to stay, we headed back to Mountain Village. There's a free parking ramp at the end of the gondola run. Warming your hands?
Yes, on the wet bench.
Okay, let's ride the gondola again. Oh wait, we're stationary.
Could this be the Mountain Village?
It's a booth.
They rock. They have heaters.
We had ice cream at Tracks. And who could resist the call of a rooftop bar? Not us. Telluride is a popular wedding spot. And whether you're here in town or up in Mountain Village, the nightlife here is thriving. back on the gondola. The Bear Creek Trail. So we finally figured out the Bear Creek Trail loop. He was very unsure he had to cross the creek. But we're here. It's hideous. Farewell, Sunshine Campground. Just outside Telluride, the Coal Chutes Trail. Remnants of old rail ties. We are at the Amphitheater Campground. It says sites available, which is incredible. So hopefully we'll grab something here, and I think then we're gonna go do the hot springs. All right, here's the situation. Amphitheater Campground outside Ouray, whatever. Site 32. I guess it's okay. All right, what's the name of this town once and for all?
I say Ouray, but Ouray makes more sense. The Texan guys say Ouray, so who knows? And some say Ouray.
Well, a rose by any other name is still a rose. I think this is the Portland Trail over our campground.